Welcome back, Flare community. Today we're going to go over how you can maximize your Songbird delegation rewards. Now, every signal provider rewards Songbird as an incentive, and this is just standard. But at BestFTSO, they're going that one step further. BestFTSO does not offer one, not two, but three different ways that you can maximize your returns. First, you have the standard Songbird rewards. Second, you have various quests in which you can earn NFTs on the Songbird Network. And third, you actually accumulate NFTp or NFT points when you delegate with BestFTSO. And that's what we're going to be going over today, so let's jump in. First and foremost, this is the homepage for BestFTSO, and you can go to their address at bestftso.xyz. Now we can go up here to the Delegate tab, and you may be familiar with this page, and you can see here that we have NFT Club points. Now, some of you may actually have some NFTp claimable, and that's because you've been delegating with BestFTSO in the past, and these NFT points have been accumulating since the very first epoch. So if you do have some NFTp to claim, you can just click the box here, and all you have to do is click the claim button. If you're on a ledger, you may have to sign this transaction. The next step is to sign the transaction, and shortly after you shall receive your NFTp, and this is a brand new asset launched on the Songbird Network. If you give the page a quick refresh, you should see that you now have a balance of NFTp. So what can you actually do with these points? Well, if we go up to the NFT tab up here, and we click on NFT Claimable, you will see a number of different NFTs which you can buy with NFTp. Some of these are collaborative efforts. As we see here, we have the NFT Riddler exclusive NFT, we have the Dogecoin Militia NFT, do only good every day, and finally we have the Lox Coin NFT. So let's start claiming. All you have to do is click it and click on confirm to confirm the transaction. And if you just give it a second, refresh the page, and there we have it. That's one new NFT that you own on the Songbird Network for delegating with BestFTSO. We can do the same with the Lox Coin NFT. Click on it, click confirm, give the page a quick refresh, and there it is. So very exciting, this idea that you can earn not once, not twice, but 3 different times. I think it's absolutely incredible, and there's actually going to be a store soon where you can actually buy and sell these NFTs, not just for NFTp, but also for Songbird too. And some of these NFTs are actually selling pretty well. So you can delegate with BestFTSO, claim an NFT, or get rewarded with an NFT, and then sell it for an additional income. As we can see here, back in October the 13th, you could have actually earned the very first NFT from BestFTSO for delegating 1000 Songbird. And this delegation would earn you the NFT, and then people were selling them for much higher than 1000 Songbird. And that is essentially a 100% plus return on that particular epoch. There is no other signal provider which has offered these kinds of returns. It would take multiple epochs. So back over to the BestFTSO site, and we do have this up and coming promotion. It's basically the option for you to delegate 1000 plus Songbird on Epoch 6, which starts on Saturday, and you can win a NFT Riddler Bored Apes XRP collaboration NFT. It's very simple. To be eligible, you just need to lock in delegation for BestFTSO for the next epoch of 1000 Songbird. To guarantee your delegation lock-in, you should do this before this upcoming Thursday. So some people may have actually already claimed, and they may be asking, where do I see my NFTp? So what you can do is come up to the top of the website here and get the contract address. If you just copy that, and you can go over to MetaMask, and click onto Assets here. Scroll down to the bottom and import tokens. Simply paste it here. Type in the symbol NFTp and click Add Custom Token. And there you can see it. That's the balance which you already have. Click Import the token and hey presto, there it is. So if we go back to the Delegate page, you should be able to see your balance reflected here on the BestFTSO website. Now, before we wrap up, I would just like to say that this is compatible with all kinds of wallets. If you're using a Bifrost wallet, use the Bifrost in-app browser. That's the only way that you can connect your account to the website. If you're using a Decent wallet, use the Decent wallet in-app browser. That is the only way that you can connect to the website. If you're using a standard browser on desktop, install MetaMask, because that's the only way that you can connect your wallet to the website. I hope I made that very clear. So that's it, guys. That's 3 different ways in which you can earn with Delegation via BestFTSO. I'm so happy for the support, and it really does mean the world to me. We're really trying to do things a little bit different here and push out the boundaries. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.